this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox Developer Exchange problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Go to Roblox or status.roblox.com. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and verify your identity. Make sure that your account is verified and add a verified email and phone number. If that is not the case, you might also need to enable your two-step verification. Simply go ahead and enable it in the security settings. Also, go ahead and check your payout info. Ensure that your payout method is valid. Check your name, address, and details are correct. You must meet all requirements. So verified identity should be checked, 2FA should be enabled, and valid payout method should be also done. You want to simply go ahead and clear your browser and cache and cookies, and then restart your browser and try again if that doesn't work. Or you could also simply go ahead and wait for pending exchange. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.